Are you dreaming of visiting the United States for tourism, sightseeing, or to visit friends and family? In this video, we'll walk you through the complete step-by-step process to apply for a USA tourist visa, also known as the B2 visa, from India. Whether it's your first time or you've applied before, this guide will give you all the updated information you need to submit a successful application. Timestamps Introduction, Step 1. Understand the B2 visa. Step 2. Gather required documents. Step 3. Fill out DS-160 form. Step 4. Pay the visa fee. Step 5. Book visa appointment. Step 6. Attend OFC, fingerprinting. Step 7. Attend visa interview at the US Consulate. Step 8. After the interview, passport and visa tracking. Final tips and FAQs. Step 1. Understand the B2 visa. The B2 visa is a non-immigrant visa issued for short-term visits to the United States. It's intended for tourism, leisure, medical treatment, or visiting friends and family. A B2 visa usually allows a stay of up to 6 months, although the exact duration is determined by the US Customs and Border Protection at the port of entry. Step 2. Gather required documents before starting your application. Make sure you have the following: a valid Indian passport, with at least 6 months validity beyond your intended stay in the US, a recent passport-sized photo, as per US Visa Photo Guidelines, travel itinerary, if available documents to prove financial stability, bank statements, tax returns, salary slips, evidence of ties to India, employment, family, property, etc. Invitation letter, if visiting friends/family, any previous US visa details or refusal documents, if applicable. Step 3. Fill out DS-160 form online. The DS-160 is the most crucial part of your application. Visit the official website, https://seek.state.gov/seek. Choose location, select India, your city, as the location where you will be applying. Fill in all sections honestly, your travel plans, background, education, employment. Upload a passport-size photo. Save your application ID. You'll need it later after submission. Download and print the DS-160 confirmation page with the barcode. Step 4. Pay the visa application fee. As of 2025, the visa application fee for a B2 visa is approximately USD $185, around 15,400 rupees. You can pay this fee online or via NEFT/mobile banking, depending on the payment options available through the US Visa Information and Appointment Services portal, https://www.ustraveldocs.com/in. Save the payment receipt. It's required for booking appointments. Step 5. Book your visa appointment. Now that you've paid the fee, it's time to schedule 2 appointments. First, OFC, Off-Site Facilitation Center, for fingerprints and photos. Second, visa interview at the US Embassy or Consulate. Go to https://www.ustraveldocs.com/in/ create a profile and log in. Schedule your OFC and interview appointments, preferably at least a few days apart. Choose your nearest consulate: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad, or Kolkata. Step 6. Attend your OFC appointment at the OFC Visa Application Center or VAC. You'll provide your biometrics, take your DS-160 confirmation, appointment confirmation, passport, and 1 photo. Step 7. Visa interview at the consulate. This is the most important step. Documents to carry: passport and any old passports, DS-160 confirmation page, appointment letter, financial documents, invitation letters, employment proof, and ties to India. The interview will be short, often just 2 to 5 minutes. Sample questions: what's the purpose of your visit? Who will sponsor your trip? What do you do in India? Do you have family there? When do you plan to return? Step 8. After the interview, if your visa is approved, your passport will be retained for stamping. You'll get it back in 3 to 7 working days. You can track passport status via the US Visa Services portal. You'll receive an SMS/email when your passport is ready for pickup or courier delivery. Final tips and FAQs: be honest and confident, carry original documents, don't memorize answers. Be natural, don't over-explain or offer documents unless asked. Dress neatly and arrive early. Common questions. Q. Can I reapply if my visa is rejected? A. Yes, but only after addressing the reason for rejection. Q. Do I need a confirmed flight or hotel booking? A. No, only tentative plans or itinerary are sufficient. Q. How long is the B2 visa valid for? A. It can be valid for up to 10 years, with multiple entries, but your stay per visit is usually limited to 6 months. And that's your complete guide to applying for a USA tourist visa from India in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this with someone planning their US trip. If you got US visa, then before planning USA trip, watch our videos Top 100 Cities in USA. Our Top 100 Cities in USA series will definitely help you to explore America on your own. Safe travels and good luck.